Hi, I'm Jill. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. I just wanted to take a minute to kind of explain where we have been, because we abruptly dropped off of YouTube just when we started to get a pretty good following of people. And I did, over the last more than a month, take a lot of footage that I want to share with you. But we partially have been absent because we had some sick kids, and I myself got sick for a couple of weeks, and it's just been kind of dragging on since the end of April. And thankfully now everyone is healthy. We are ready to get back at posting things, but I thought it would be strange to jump back to just start posting things from April without any context. So some other YouTubers that I watch have also dropped off for a while. And I think it's a really busy time of year for everyone in general. School's wrapping up, the weather's getting nicer, and animals are being born. For us, it was processing time for some of our animals. We were selling animals, and it was just kind of a transition period. You know, we put a lot of effort into expanding our fruit trees this year, and we expanded some garden areas just because, you know, our kids are getting older and they eat more, but also because there is a little bit of uncertainty in the world and prices are rising, and obviously it is significantly cheaper if you grow your own food, and that has been a goal of mine for a long time. So we're just really trying to add on a little bit every year to make it more of a smooth transition into growing more of our own food and being more sustainable. So I will share with you some of the process of, you know, what we've been doing, but I just wanted to pop on. If you haven't subscribed, and sustainability and homesteading and farming and family time, what else do we do? We raise cows and pigs and chickens, and I think that's all we've got right now. If that's of interest to you, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. Shows it to more people that are interested in like-minded things. And if you feel so compelled to do so, hit that share button and share a video with somebody that you think might find it enjoyable. But I guess we will leave it at that today. I'll show you a few clips of things that we have been doing, and then I will, in the coming days, sit down and do some editing, put together videos that make sense, but just keep in mind that moving forward, some of the future videos will be from the past over the last couple of months. So thanks so much for watching and hanging out with us today. I hope you have a great day. See you next time.
Bye.
Legs up.
It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. Daddy, it's out almost.
It's out. It's just got the shell on top of it. It'll kick it off, I'm sure. This one's gonna be next.
Yeah. Actually, I think this one.
Okay, what are we at for red versus black? We've got 3 reds and 4 black ones, right?
1, 2, 3. Yep.
That's really interesting because the darker shelled
It's
ones
coming out, Daddy. It's coming
were
out.
the red ones.
It's out. It's out. It's out. It's out. It's so exciting.
Oh my. Take that out of your mouth. They can't hear you.
Like and subscribe.